Ready to supercharge your cybersecurity incident response? Let's dive into installing TheHive5 on Ubuntu. First things first, we need a fresh Ubuntu system ready. Make sure you have sudo privileges for administrative tasks, which is important for this installation. Let's begin by updating the package list of your Ubuntu machine. Enter sudo apt update in your terminal and press enter to refresh the software repositories. This guarantees that you get the most recent versions for your packages. Next, perform an upgrade to update the packages on your system with this command sudo apt upgrade. This ensures that all installed packages are at their latest versions before proceeding. TheHive requires Java, specifically Openj. Execute the commands sudo apt install Openj 11 dre and confirm the installation when prompted to continue. Now it's time to install Elasticsearch, which is required for proper function of TheHive. Type in sudo apt install Elasticsearch. Once that is done, you will want to ensure that Elasticsearch is running and then starting it as a service. Now you need to install TheHive from deb package downloaded from the official website. Navigate to the directory where you saved the file and run sudo apt install TheHive deb. Replace the asterisk with the file name. After installation, you'll need to set up the main configurations. Edit the application conf file to ensure security. Set plates to correct key and akaremo to edit for optimal operation. To start TheHive, run sudo system to start TheHive to enable it on boot. Use sudo system to enable TheHive. Using sudo system status TheHive will allow you to check that the service is working. Finally, access TheHive through your web browser using your server's IP address followed by port 9000. Set up your admin credentials, and you are ready to begin incident management.